2308.
Alright, fleet personnel just advised there's 14,000 gallons in the car at this point. It's having some type of reaction inside the car. Keeps forcing the safety valve to lift off. Also reading the information for the placard, see what type of reaction we're going to get when we apply water, but if it starts getting too much of a reaction, we're going to shut back down. But I'll keep you in the loop, let you know.
Copy, we got the book here. Let's not put any water on that right now. Hold off till hazmat gets here. Just stand by, let us know if it causes any more reaction. Repeat, no water at this time.
Alright, copy.
South 215.96, just backing out to the entrance of the complex. We're getting a lot of fumes where we are. Looking at supposed to be moving Governor Lee Road as the sign, the entrance sign.
Governor Lee Road at what?
At the 20th entrance sign.
Thank you.
Governor Lee Road.
Morse, 2320.
Yeah, it's a negative. They're all insulated.
B13 available.
B13.
FS10, 2320. Rescue Metro 5.